Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the MSI MAG 271QPX 27-inch OLED gaming monitor, a display built for serious speed and stunning visuals. This QD-OLED panel delivers incredibly deep blacks and vibrant colors, backed by true black HDR 400 support for impressive contrast and detail. Whether you're gaming in dark environments or watching high-quality content, the clarity and color depth really stand out. Performance is where this monitor shines. With a blazing 360 Hz refresh rate and an ultra-fast 0.03 milliseconds response time, motion feels incredibly smooth and responsive. Fast-paced shooters and competitive esports titles benefit the most, giving you crisp movement with virtually no ghosting or blur. It's also designed with usability in mind. You get height and tilt adjustments for better ergonomics, slim bezels for a more immersive setup, and MSI's gaming intelligence features to quickly fine-tune settings. HDMI 2.1 support with VRR makes it a strong option for modern consoles as well. One thing to note is the glossy screen finish. It enhances vibrancy, but in bright rooms you may notice reflections, so placement matters. Overall, the MSI MAG 271QPX combines elite refresh rates, OLED contrast, and sleek design into one high-performance package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.